Okay, let's go now to practice problem number 6. A book was bought for 480 pesos and later sold for 420 pesos. Determine the loss and the percentage loss. So given CP 480 pesos, SP 420 pesos. So required the loss and the percentage loss. So solution, use the formula loss is equals to CP minus SP. Substitute the given data, the answer is 60. And using the formula for percentage loss, the calculated loss or the loss divided by the CP and then times 100, the answer is 12.5%. Number 7, a farmer spent 10,000 growing vegetables but was able to sell the harvest for only 9,250. Find the absolute loss and the percentage loss. So given CP 10,000, SP 9,250, require the absolute loss and percentage loss. So using the formula loss is equals to CP minus SP, substituting the given data, the loss is 750 pesos. That's the absolute loss. And then the percentage loss is the loss divided by what we call CP times 100, substituting the calculated loss and the given CP, the answer is 7.5%. Number 8, a dealer bought motorcycle for 75,000 but sold it for 71,500 pesos. Calculate the loss and the loss percentage. So given CP 75,000, SP 71,500, required the loss and the percentage loss. So the loss is equal to CP minus SP. Substitute the given data. The answer is 3,500. The percentage loss formula is loss divided by the CP times 100, substituting the calculated loss and the given CP, the answer is 4.67%. Number 9, a laptop was purchased for 32,000 pesos and sold for 30,400 pesos. Find the absolute loss and the percentage loss. So given CP 32,000, SP 30,400, required the loss and the percentage loss. So solution, the loss is 32,000 minus 30,400. The answer is 1,600. Using now the formula for percentage loss, substituting the calculated loss and the given CP, and the answer is 5%. Practice problem number 10. A vendor bought fruits worth 5,000 but due to spoilage was able to sell them for only 4,600 pesos. Find the loss and the percentage loss. So we're given CP is 5,000 pesos, SP 4,600, required loss and percentage loss. Substitute the formula for loss. The answer is 400 pesos. Substitute in the formula for percentage loss. The answer is 8%. The MCQ for lesson 12, calculating loss in both absolute and percentage terms. Number 1, a phone was bought for 15,000 and sold for 12,000. What is the loss? Letter A, 2,500. Letter B, 3,000 pesos. C, 3,500 pesos. D, 4,000 pesos. Number 2, a shopkeeper bought a bag for 1,200 and sold it for 900 pesos. What is the loss percentage? A, 15%, B, 20%, C, 25%, D, 35%. Number 3, if the cost price of a book is 500 pesos and the loss is 50 pesos, What is the selling price? A. 400 pesos. B. 450 pesos. C. 550 pesos. D. 600 pesos. Number 4. A machine was purchased at 100,000 pesos but sold at 15,000 pesos. What is the percentage loss? A. 10%. B. 12%. C. 13%. D. 15%. Number 5. A bicycle was bought at 7,500 and sold at 6,750. What is the loss percentage? A. 8%. B. 9%. C. 10%. D. 12%. Number 6. A person bought a dress at 2,000 pesos but had to sell it at 1,600 pesos. What is the absolute loss? Letter A, 300 pesos. B, 350 pesos. C, 400 pesos. D, 500 pesos. Number 7. The cost price of a shirt is 800 pesos. If it was sold for 720 pesos, what is the loss percentage? A, 8%. B, 9%. C, 10%. D, 12%. Number 8. A store bought a refrigerator for 20,000 pesos and sold it at 17,000 pesos. What is the loss in pesos? A, 2,000 pesos. B, 2,500 pesos. C, 3,000 pesos. D, 3,500 pesos. Number 9. A television set cost 35,000 pesos and was sold for 31,500 pesos. What is the loss percentage? A, 8%. B, 9%. C, 10%. D, 11%. Number 10. If the selling price of a laptop is 28,000 pesos and the cost price is 30,000 pesos, what is the absolute loss? A, 1,000 pesos. B, 1,500 pesos. C, 2,000 pesos. D, 2,500 pesos. The answer key for lesson number 12. Please proceed to lesson number 13. The answer key for lesson 11, calculating profit in absolute and percentage terms, is as follows. Number 1, A, cost price minus selling price. Number 2, A, loss divided by cost price times 100. Number 3, A, 225%. 4, A, 400 pesos. Number 5, C, 200 pesos. C. Ay number 6, C, 10%. Number 7, C, 12.5%. Number 8, C, 2,000 pesos. Number 9, C, 40%. Number 10, T, 30%. Number 11, 200 pesos. 12, C, 20%. Number 13, C, 400 pesos. Number 14, A, 25%. Number 15, B, 3,300 approximately. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.